Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I just want you guys to see this beautiful short hairstyles for professionals. One thing with this haircut is that it's a haircut for beautiful women that are great for giving off that edgy yet classic vibe. One thing with this haircut is that you will need to dye your hair and communicate with your hairdressers to really achieve this look. I just love this haircut because it's a hairstyle that will always make you look beautiful. It's that haircut that will give you that bold look you want, and it's that kind of hairstyle that will take many years off your age. I love this cut. You can see how sexy this haircut looks, and it's perfect for black women of all ages. Just invest in giving your hair an aura of sophistication with this silky beautiful haircut, and you can see that with the right playfulness, this beautiful cut is neither too conservative nor too daring. Just show off your bold personality without being over the top, and always ask your stylist to always use that mixture of certain modes, to really give you this kind of beautiful haircut. This is another classic style if you really want that sassy low maintenance look that will turn heads in that occasion. Why not try this extra short beautiful haircut, because this classic style is flattering on black women of all ages and hair textures, and it can be easily personalized with accessories. You can use berets, you can use headbands, you can use any kind of beautiful hair accessories out there to get the most out of this haircut. So one thing with the style, you can just tell your stylist to give you the length you want, and please ensure they avoid taking too much off, because taking more off later than adding back is easier. So one thing about this cut also, it's so beautiful style, and it's a great way for you to show off your natural texture. I just want you guys to just see the way this hair flatter these beautiful black women, and it will flatter any kind of face shape, and it will help you to keep your hair healthy and strong. So let me just let you guys please have all the styles we have. I appreciate my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
Yeah.